Hello, friends. I have something very interesting for you. It is a Chinese AI bot that sends ready-made pocket option signals in real time. So let's test the first exciting sell signal for 5 minutes. Open an order and wait. How does this bot work? The logic is quite simple. It is a Chinese bot based on artificial intelligence, which allows it to improve its performance with each new pocket option signal. It studies a large array of various factors and trends, as well as tracks the latest news from the trading environment. It performs all these manipulations just before releasing the finished pocket option live signals. It also records the success rate for each signal, giving you a stable opportunity to assess the prospects of using a particular signal. If in doubt, you can wait a little and get an alternative signal. Are you aware of this bot's capabilities? Now you can see how my order closes profitably, and I earned $288 in income. I intercepted pocket option signals. Now it's sell for 3 minutes. Before this bot appeared, I studied a huge number of different strategies, analyzed which ones were workable and which ones were not, read a huge amount of news from the world of trading in order to be able to predict the movement of the price chart. This process took a lot of time and psychological resources, and not all strategies were profitable, so I lost my money. So when I found out that a bot had been developed that could implement all these tasks for me and simply generate ready-made pocket option live signals, I was very happy about this news and immediately went to research it. By the way, I will provide a link to the Telegram bot in the description below the video. Another successful trade. Closed order and a plus of $288 on the balance. I receive a pocket option live buy signal for 1 minute. Have you noticed that in each signal, the bot not only indicates the data for opening an order and the recommended amount, but also indicates the success rate of this order? In this case, 66%. And in my opinion, these signals are more risky, so I don't always use them. But now I want to test them. And as we can see, the result is a plus of $288 in my account. I receive a buy signal for 5 seconds. I love these signals because they give me instant results. And as I said, an extra $288 is already in my account. The bot has already sent a new pocket option buy signal for 15 seconds. And I am creating an order. Have you already tried this Telegram bot? Write about your experience in the comments. A few moments, and an additional $288 in my account. Again, pocket option, live signal, buy for 15 seconds, and I create an order. Have you already tried this Telegram bot? Write about your experience in the comments. A few moments, and an extra $288 in my account. I receive another pocket option signal from the bot. Buy for 15 seconds. So I place an order and wait for the result. Do you use artificial intelligence in your life or at work? I believe that it makes life much easier for people and saves a lot of time. And by the way, I get $288 in profit. I accept pocket option signals. This time it's sell for 3 minutes. Before creating this bot, I practiced a huge number of different strategies, checked which ones were effective and which ones were not, studied a lot of news from the trading sphere in order to be able to predict the movement of the price chart. This process required a lot of time and emotional energy, and not all strategies were profitable, so I lost my own funds. So when I heard about a bot that could perform all these procedures for me and simply provide ready-made pocket option live signals, I was very pleased with this information and quickly went to test it. By the way, I will leave a link to the Telegram bot in the description below the video. Another positive result: closed order and a plus of $288 on the balance. Another pocket option signaled buy for 1 minute. Have you noticed that in each signal, the bot not only specifies the parameters for creating an order and the recommended amount, but also records the success rate of this order? In my opinion, signals with lower ratings are more dangerous, so I don't always listen to them. But now I want to check. And as we can see, the result is a plus of $288 in my account. I receive a sell signal for 5 minutes. Open an order and wait. How is the bot built? Everything is as accessible as possible. It is a Chinese bot, created using artificial intelligence technology, which means that with each pocket option signal, it improves its capabilities, analyzes a large number of various factors and trends while keeping track of current news in the trading industry. And it performs all these processes immediately before issuing the finished pocket option live signals. It also indicates the success rate of each individual signal in the signals, so you always have the opportunity to assess the feasibility of using a particular signal. If you are unsure, you can wait a little for another signal. Are you aware of the potential of this bot? Now you can see how my order closes in the black, and I get $288 in profit. Thank you for watching.